Do you have a subscription on Capcut and you're planning to like cancel the subscription, but you don't know the way you can actually work over that? So in this video, simply I'll be showing you how to cancel your Capcut subscription on Android, be it the standard, pro, or the Teams subscription. So irrespective of the one you actually subscribe on, I'll be showing you how to cancel it using your Android device. So I'll be showing you two different methods. The first is using your payment method, and the second one is of course using your app. The thing is that the one of using app to cancel the subscription is kind of tricky, so that's the reason why most people don't really know how to do that. So let me first of all dive into the first one. Since we are working on Android, if you have what do I call it, if you're making use of an iPhone, the steps will actually be the same using that of the app, but the payment method might differ since you're using an iPhone. So now, like I said, I'm using an Android, so having that in mind, once you're using an Android, definitely the payment method is always through Google Pay Protect. So the next thing you do is that you have to navigate and actually locate the email. That's a confirmatory email that actually tells you that your order has been confirmed. This is it. As you can see, I actually did the subscription on the 27th of March 2026. So I'm using it's just a tutorial video. I want to show you how to cancel it, and definitely I will resubscribe again. So once you locate the email, you see the welcome message, your Google Play order, blah blah blah. It's all that. Like I said, Android definitely is Google Play, so this subscription was done via Google Play. So now once you open this, definitely you see something like this. The next thing you have to do is to locate the spot that says manage your subscription, as you can see right here. So you now tap on it. It will now navigate and take you into your Google Pay account, of which you eventually see all other apps you actually running your subscription on. So as you can see, the first one is the one that is active, which is Capcut photo editor. Now the next thing you have to do is to tap on it, and right here you see various options which says update and backup payment or blah 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 blah. Now all that, now look and scroll down below, you see two radio buttons. Of course, the first one is pause payments and the second one is cancel subscription. So if you eventually want to pause the payment, then maybe for some months later you can reactivate it, then the pause payments option should be the one you should choose. But if you want to cancel it totally, the cancel subscription button is the one you have to click. So I don't want to cancel it because I want to show you the second method on how to do that. So now, like I said, the first one is using your payments method, which is Google Pay Protect. If you're using an Android device, definitely the tutorial is Android based. And the second one is using the app. Now let's move to the more tricky one, which is using the app to cancel your subscription. Now let me open my Capcut app. Definitely, as you can see, it's trying to open. Let's go back again. I think I'll have to start from the beginning. Okay, yeah, it's loading. We're kind of having network lag speed. So now this is the Capcut app. So you have to navigate looking at the icons below. You see the one that says me, which simply indicates your profile or your account. You tap on the me icon. I don't want to complete any tasks, and it's opening, and of course you see all information about your plan and your profile. Now if you look next to my name, it says the pro plan, which is the plan that I'm actually subscribed on. So now if you scroll through, you will never see any option whereby it will indicate cancel subscription. That's why I say most people are kind of confused while using the app, and because they don't know how to cancel the subscription, they tend to allow their subscription to resubscribe, thereby incurring bill that they didn't plan for. So they're kind of confused if they don't know how to cancel the subscription using the first method, which I showed you earlier on, which is using the payments method, Google Pay Protect in the case of Android. Then definitely they are lost. So now let me show you how you can do using your app. So now once you get to this portion, you see the the rectangular, that's a proper rectangular icon or image that has a pro written is close or next to your name. You tap on it, you see, you tap on it, and of course it will now take you to this portion. Hold on. Oh, I have to go back. You tap on it. That's why I get it right now. So I actually tapped on the pro. Now looking at all this, you still be confused that where can you find it. But if you see the first image at the top, look into options or tabs below it. You see plans and billing. So now you tap on the plans tab, and definitely this will open. This is the subscription, and this is how much I'll be paying in my next billing, which is slated for 27th of April 2026, which is 1 month. So you can simply see it indicates cancel subscription boldly written on it. So now this is our method. You now tap on cancel subscription. Of course, it's not ask you cancel auto renewal. You lose access to subscribe only benefits, including features, templates, blah 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 blah, and that's all. All you have to do, yes, you are canceling it. I'll have to subscribe later because this video is just tutorial based. Now you now click on cancel auto renewal to actually confirm that yes, you are going out of it. You notice that it will now still take you to your Google Pay Protect account, which is the first one we open. So now now I have to now tap on the cancel subscription to confirm yes that I'm going out of this plan. So look at the button below, you tap on cancel subscription, and the subscription is canceling. As you can see, confirmation your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing. Yes. Select the reason for cancelling. You can choose any other reason. Technical issues, I found better app, or just sleep on order. Or cost related reason, depending on what you want. So now you tap on cancel subscription. So this is a confirmation. Yes, the subscription will be cancelled once the billing or the amount of once my this current plan I'm on expires, then my subscription will be cancelled totally. But I can always resubscribe by still using the Google Play Protect method. It will take me to this portion and I'll click on the resubscribe button. But like I said, this is just a tutorial based video and I'm showing you how to do that. So watching up to this extent, I bet you can easily cancel your Capcut subscription, be it the standard, pro, or the Teams subscription easily. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also share it to any friend of yours that wants to cancel his or her Capcut subscription easily without any difficulty. So check out tutorial video for other useful tutorial video just like this one. So see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.